To fix a front-load washer that's not filling with water, it's essential to identify the common causes of the issue. A broken lid strike or a partially closed lid can be the culprit, as well as clogged water inlet screens or a clogged water supply hose. To resolve the problem, start by checking the lid to ensure it's properly closed. If the lid is completely closed, inspect the lid strike for any damage and replace it if necessary. Next, examine the water inlet screens by stopping the water supply, removing the hoses from the washer, and cleaning any remaining water from the hoses. Check the inlet screens at the back of the inlet valve for any blockages and clean them to remove any material that might be obstructing the flow. Additionally, inspect the water supply hose pipe for any clogs or kinks that could be causing the issue. Clean the filters to remove any debris and foreign material. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your front load washer and get it filling with water again.